So to work a double crochet, which is a single crochet in US terms, we're going to insert the hook into the stitch unless your pattern specifies otherwise. So you can see this is the stitch I've just worked. So if we go along to the next gap, this is where we're going to put our hook for the next one. If we turn the work towards us, you will see the V's on top, which look like a chain, and we're working into the next V. So if we put our hook into the space there, you can see it's gone underneath both loops of the V. Now we're going to grab our yarn, so you want your hook to go around, turn your hook tip facing down so that it grabs the yarn, pull that through. So you now have 2 loops on your hook. Just put your hook up a little bit so that these 2 loops are the same size and not too tight, and then we're going to yarn over so your hook goes around, turn the tip down and pull through both loops. Okay, I'm going to do that again. So our next space is here. I'm going to insert my hook. You can see it's gone underneath both loops there. I'm going to grab the yarn, turn your hook tip to the bottom facing down, pull it through, and you'll see all the time I'm holding my crochet piece with my thumb and middle finger and tensioning the yarn if you can with this finger, and we're going to pull that through. 2 loops on the hook, make sure they're not too tight, yarn over so the yarn comes from the back over the top, turn the tip down and pull through, and one last time into the space, pull the yarn through, 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2.